Morning, welcome to Bent's on a cold, snowy February morning, of which there's more on the way I believe, but the sun's out now so it's a nice day. One of the stars of the winter and early spring garden is the Camellia family, of which there are thousands. They come in all sorts of different colours, pinks, reds, whites, mixtures of colours. This one's a fairly new one from New Zealand called Volunteer, and it's a bicolour, so it's pink and white on the same flower with an anemone form flower, so it's got this massive petaloid stamens in the middle. They are surprisingly frost hardy for something that looks so exotic. They come from the Far East originally, and these open flowers, these may get damaged by a cold night, but there's always buds still to follow underneath, and those will remain viable even if we have a really cold night. So they have a long series of flowers rather than say rhododendrons which will come out at once. They're a great screen with obviously the benefit of flowers. They're evergreen so they look nice all year. They're great in shade. The only thing you've got to remember is that they're ericaceous, so they like an acidic soil. So if you mix some ericaceous compost in when you're planting them, you're good to go. They're very easy to grow, and I would say thoroughly worth a little bit of extra effort.